Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an accordion flamenco. Now this is one of the easiest flamenco moves, so it's actually probably quite a good one to start with if you've never done one before. Knowing how to do an accordion already would be quite helpful, so link to that in the description below so you can fill in that gap in your repertoire if you don't already know one. And we'll jump straight in, show you how it goes. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now there are a number of styling choices in the flamenco moves. We did that with the arms up the whole time. You could let go and bring the arms down as you go round. We'll talk about that in a little bit. And the lady can connect or not connect across the guy's tummy. These are all options. So let's break it down the way we did it, and then we'll try a couple of variations at the end. So it starts off right to right. We go semicircle back. We're just going to take a standard entry to an accordion. So we're off in that left hand, palm towards the lady, thumb down. As we come in for a return with that right hand, we collect the left, so the left goes over to the lady, the right goes over to the lady, and the guy heads over to the left. Now we're going to go around to the other side of the accordion. So we raise the left, lower the right, step to the right. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to lead a return spin with that right hand. The left stays up. The guy walks in, so the lady's on the right hand side. We're going to put our right arm across the lady's tummy. Now, with the lady's arm floating, she could leave it floating, or she could connect to the guy's hip. For now, I suggest connecting to the hip because you just end up with a stronger connection. But it's not going to be a problem either way. From this position, we're leading the lady to walk forwards. The guy was already walking forwards, and we're going to go for 2. How many counts you go for is up to you. So we're going to go 1 and 2. We're going to use the right hand on the lady's hip to lead her to carry on away from us into a spin, then a catch, and a return or travelling return is up to you. Depends where your energy is. Okay, so now let's do it from the other side and think about some numbers. So we go semicircle back and offer 1. We go return 2, out to the side 3, turn 4, out to the side 5, spinning the lady in a return direction 6. We do our walk around 7 and 8, spin the lady out 1, catching 2, return 3 and back 4. Let's try that together, and then we'll talk about variations. So here we go. 5, 6, an accordion flamenco. It's offer, return, look, turn, look, return, spin, walk 1, 2, spin 3, catch 4, return 5 and back 6. So there's the basic. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get exactly the same thing in our position, except as we do our walks we're going to let go and we're going to go 1 and 2. Bring the hand around to this kind of position because it will give you a nice line for when you're walking. In fact, you could even walk some more with your arms in that position. Okay, so it's going to continue the feel of what you're doing. Let's see what happens. Let's just have a go for it. So we go right to right and we go 5, 6, letting go with the arm. It's offer, return, look, turn, look, return, spin, and a 1, 2, spin, catch, return, and back. And that is that. Obviously the lady connecting across the tummy or not, again, it's a styling choice and it's not going to make a big difference. Once you get a bit of experience, the lady not connecting isn't going to cause you any trouble. And doing things for a different length of time, again, there's no reason why. The only thing I would say is if you're doing it for a different length of time, try and make sure you're matching if you're letting go and bringing the arms down so that you and your partner are doing the same thing. Okay, that's it. Hope you go out there and have fun with it. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Big thank you to everyone who helps by doing those things because it does promote everything we do. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, something fitting for the move, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.